Let's split up two things. First, the Sensex was performing very poorly well before the Pakistani-Indian crisis. So this is not going to help, but definitely it was not the cause. Second point, the cause behind that was, of course, the uncertainty about the forthcoming election, because there is no guarantee that Modi will be elected, and if Congress gets elected, more likely than not, it's going to be yet another coalition. All of which, it's, let's say, not very encouraging, because frankly, the Modi administration has got very few really positive things to show. The economy continues to grow. Okay.
I was going to say, reading between the lines, it sounds like you're quite negative, but please continue.
No, I'm very negative, but let me modify that. I'm very negative because I didn't like at all the last budget, which was a budget to buy votes. I didn't like the fact that the deficit was being paid out of capital funds from the central bank, very unusual, and then the central bank is now completely under the thumb of the administration. All these are not investor-friendly. Now, you add the recent political stroke military crisis, and this doesn't help. Okay, so I want to know what's going to happen after the election, and frankly, the Indian-Pakistani is a sideshow. It's not really elemental or crucial.
So coming back to what the RBI did recently, they cut rates, was a bit of a surprise. Are you expecting them to go further down this route as we head up to the election? Because there's a big wedge in India right now between what's happening with headline inflation, which is obviously dropping a lot. Core inflation is rather sticky.
Yeah, well, given that the central bank now will do whatever the Modi administration tells it to do, they will be very unwise to cut interest rates further, because this will only weaken the rupee further, given also the elections. Very important. And the elections are around the corner. They're in about a month and a half to 2 months' time. It's not something in the distant future. So no, I don't think they're going to cut again.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.